On this week's 2-minute tip, choosing the right seed starting mix for growing your own transplants. In several of our previous videos, we've talked about the value of growing your own transplants. In a previous 2-minute tip, we even compared a pepper transplant that we grew versus one from the big box store. Growing your own transplants has many benefits. First of all, it's cheaper than paying $3 to $5 a plant at the store. Secondly, you get to pick your own varieties as opposed to only getting what that store has. And thirdly, you'll grow healthier plants. And when growing your own transplants, you want to make sure you choose a proper seed starting mix, and it's going to allow you to grow some really nice transplants that you'll end up putting in your garden. The important phrase to remember here is seed starting mix, not potting mix. Potting mixes tend to be kind of chunky. They'll have pieces of bark or sticks in them, and they're not really light and airy. For a seed starting mix, we want something that's really fine, not chunky at all, so those roots can wrap around that soil there and establish a nice root ball for when we go to transplant that plant in the ground. Our preferred seed starting mix is this Pro Mix right here. And we've done a lot of testing with different mixes over the years, and this one right here always performs the best and always gives us the best transplants. This Pro Mix seed starting mix has a really nice consistency, and it has plenty of perlite, or these little white pebbles here. And these things are really important when you're growing your own transplants because they're going to improve the airflow around those plant roots and also improve the drainage there. If plants stay too wet, they can get susceptible to disease, and that perlite's going to help that transplant drain well while it's growing. This Pro Mix also has a component called Microactive, which is going to encourage those mycorrhizal associations once those plant roots start to form. These mycorrhizal associations is a symbiotic relationship between fungi and plants. The fungi increase the absorption ability for the plant roots. In turn, the plant roots provide glucose or food to the fungi. So when you're growing your own transplants, make sure you choose the right seed starting mix so you can grow nice healthy plants that are going to perform better for you when you move them to your outdoor garden. Hope you enjoyed this week's 2-minute tip. We'll see you next week.